Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel English with Shivangi, and today in this video I am going to share with you all that how I learned English and what kind of problem that I had to face during my journey. So before going to start, I would like to appreciate everybody for being here. So let's start. So the first problem that I had to face, it was from where do I start? From where do I start to learn this English language? Okay, as you all know, it is a very common question that arises in every beginner's mind. But so I started learning English language from tenses. Is a very necessary thing uh, to become a faster translator. If you are a English language learner, because tenses is your basic, and it is a very necessary thing to have a strong basic, okay, to learn any language. And so it is a very necessary thing to become a faster translator. And here a very good news to you all. It is देखो, you can become a faster translator within 1 month. Yeah, you heard right. You become a faster translator within 1 month. But the condition is you will have to do practice every day. Okay, and then after I learned some phrasal verb. It's a very important thing to it is a very important thing to learn some phrasal verb, because from my experience, it helped me a lot to improve my English level. So if you are a beginner, and you want to sound like a better speaker, so you must have to learn. Then you must learn this phrasal verbs. Lots of phrasal verbs is a very important thing. Then after I was completely able to start speaking language, this language. But another problem had come up before me, and it was with whom do I do my practice. As I said that I live in a village, and nobody use this language, and using English language is out of question here. So it was a little bit difficult for me, and especially for those people who don't have any types of person to guide them and to help them to make them correct. So that's why it also it was also a little bit difficult for me, but I solved it. Actually, I get a very unique way to do my practice, and that way was a very beautiful way. I'm telling to all, talking with yourself. Yeah, I consider it myself as my partner. How I'm telling it, actually, I started practicing by standing in front of mirror, and it has helped me a lot to boost my English level and my confidence as well. Okay, and then it is a very as I said, that is a very important and very beautiful way method to do your practice. Okay, and because from this way you also get a chance to meet with yourself, and when you get a chance to meet with yourself, then you will be able to know about your weakness and your strength, and then you will be able to work on your weakness. Okay, and then after I made a note, and I made a note, and I wrote everything whatever I thought in my mind in that note. And I just said that I used to watch YouTube. I used to watch speeches video and on YouTube. I used to watch David video on YouTube, and I tried to speak on some random topics to myself. And I'm telling you, this whole thing helped me a lot to boost my confidence English level. Okay, then I was completely ready to start my practice, start speaking. But another problem again had come up before me. It was my fluency, because fluency is a very important thing. No matter how much how many vocab you know, no matter how good your vocabulary, if you don't have fluency. So it's a very necessary thing to get your fluency. So what I did to get it, actually, I started reading books. And it's helped me a lot. I'm telling to all, it's helped me a lot to to boost my fluency. Okay, then after reading I highlighted 1-2 paragraph, and I tried to read that paragraph. I tried to speak that paragraph until uh, I was able to speak that paragraph in one go. Okay, so it helped me a lot to boost my confidence and my fluency as well. So this is all thing that I did, you know. And practice is a very important thing, because everything depend on your practice. So it's a very necessary thing to do practice. Okay, so here the very important thing that I'm going to share to you all. uh, as you all know that what is happening in our country in India nowadays. So what is happening in our country in India nowadays, so that's why for our safekeeping, our government is taking out some rules, and our government want us to follow that rule. So here I would like to say to you all that is a very important thing to follow that rules, because it is our duty. And there are lots of people who is not educated, who don't have mobile phone, okay. So if somebody like this is around you, so go and help that people, and aware that people from those rules, about those rules. Okay, and here another thing that I would like to say to you all, it is and especially for women. So please hear me out. Okay, you must have heard the name of Colonel Vyomika Singh, Wing Commander Vyomika Singh, and Colonel Sophia Khurasi. You know, they are a girl. They are a girl. You know what? And they are playing a very important roles in this time in India. Okay, to save to save India. So, and why I'm telling it, actually, because they are a woman. So it means women can everything whatever they want to do. Okay, women don't need another women's don't need another support. They can do everything whatever they want to do. So here it's a very important thing, and I would like to tell to all girls and women who considers herself as a weak, as a weak gender, just for being a girl and woman. So it is a very necessary thing to know that you can do everything. It is just a reminder for everybody, for every girls and women who demotivated just for being a who are demotivated just for being a girl and woman. You can do everything whatever you want to do. Okay, so please keep doing, believe in yourself, and keep practicing. Take care of yourself, help others, and bye bye you all.